Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making mini oat pancakes and that too effortlessly. And for that, to a grinder jar, I am adding 3/4 cup of instant oats. We'll be mixing all the ingredients in the grinder jar. That's how we make these pancakes effortlessly. And I am taking a pinch of salt and for flavor I am adding cinnamon powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder. You can use vanilla if you like, but oats and cinnamon powder go very well. I am adding 2 spoons of brown sugar. You can use regular sugar. I have coarsely powdered the dry ingredients and now I am adding wet ingredients. Half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, and now I have grinded them all together for 1 minute in a low speed. Oats tend to absorb milk over time, so if your batter turns thick, then add a little more milk. Now let's make the pancakes. I have taken a non-stick tawa. On a hot flame, I am heating the tawa. After the tawa is hot enough, grease it with some clarified butter or ghee. I have added 1 spoon of white vinegar to the batter mix to make the pancakes a little fluffy. You won't be able to taste the vinegar even if you want to in this batter. I am taking spoonfuls of batter and I am pouring them onto the tawa as I am showing you. This batter makes up to 10 to 15 mini pancakes. Let the pancakes cook on the tawa for 5 to 6 minutes, and after 5 to 6 minutes, carefully turn the pancakes to the other side and cook them on the other side also. Gently and carefully, one after the other, flip the pancakes. After flipping the pancakes, let them cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, transfer the pancakes into a plate. This is a healthy and easy to make breakfast for kids and for adults also. I am drizzling some honey on top of the pancakes. You can use chocolate syrup or whatever you like, and hope you liked it and hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.